Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day, all because of a few drops of nature's most powerful oils. What if we told you that essential oils could help improve sleep, reduce stress, and boost focus? Studies show that aromatherapy has amazing effects on brain function and mood regulation. Did you know that lavender oil can improve sleep quality by up to 60%? And peppermint oil. It's been scientifically proven to increase alertness and memory. Stick around because we're revealing the 5 best essential oils for seniors to boost energy, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Plus, we'll answer your most common essential oil questions at the end. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel. All right, let's get started. What are essential oils? Essential oils are natural extracts from plants, flowers, and herbs that provide a wide range of health benefits. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, they help with relaxation, pain relief, and mental clarity. Research suggests that seniors who incorporate essential oils into their daily routine experience better sleep, improve focus, and reduce stress levels. Number 1. Peppermint oil, the natural energy booster. Peppermint oil is well known for its invigorating scent and ability to enhance alertness and concentration. Studies have shown that inhaling peppermint oil can reduce fatigue and improve cognitive function, which is essential as we age. The menthol in peppermint stimulates the nervous system, providing a natural boost. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that peppermint oil improved exercise performance and reduced fatigue. Aromatherapy with peppermint can enhance mental clarity and keep you feeling refreshed throughout the day. How to use it? Add a few drops to a diffuser in the morning, mix with a carrier oil and apply to wrists or temples for an instant energy boost. Inhale directly from the bottle for quick relief from tiredness. Number 2. Lavender oil, the ultimate stress reliever. Aging can sometimes bring increased stress and trouble sleeping, but lavender oil is here to help. This floral-scented oil is scientifically proven to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that inhaling lavender oil before bedtime improves sleep quality in seniors. It lowers cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Its calming properties can help alleviate headaches and nervous tension. How to use it? Add a few drops to your pillow for better sleep. Mix with a carrier oil and apply to pulse points for relaxation. Use in a warm bath to melt away stress. Number 3. Eucalyptus oil. Breathe easier and feel refreshed. As we age, respiratory health becomes more important. Eucalyptus oil is excellent for clearing congestion and promoting easier breathing. Contains eucalyptol, which acts as a natural decongestant and anti-inflammatory. Research in the Respiratory Medicine Journal found that eucalyptus oil improves lung function and relieves symptoms of respiratory infections, helps clear sinus congestion, and promotes oxygen flow, boosting energy levels. How to use it? Add a few drops to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. Use in a diffuser to keep airways clear. Mix with coconut oil and apply to the chest for relief from congestion. Number 4. Lemon oil, the mood enhancer. Feeling sluggish or emotionally down? Lemon oil is known for its uplifting and mood-boosting properties. Rich in limonene, a compound that reduces stress and enhances positive emotions. A study in psychoneuroendocrinology found that lemon oil aromatherapy can lower anxiety levels and improve overall well-being. It stimulates dopamine production, the feel-good neurotransmitter. How to use it? Diffuse in the home for a fresh, uplifting atmosphere. Add a drop to water for a refreshing detox drink. Use food-grade lemon oil. Mix with a carrier oil and apply to wrists for an instant mood boost. Number 5. Frankincense oil, the anti-aging powerhouse. Frankincense has been used for centuries for its rejuvenating and healing properties. It supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and promotes skin health. Contains boswellic acids, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. A study in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine found that frankincense oil improves immune function and reduces joint pain, promotes cell regeneration, keeping skin looking youthful. How to use it? Apply diluted oil to wrinkles and fine lines to improve skin elasticity. Diffuse to support relaxation and immune health. Massage into joints to ease discomfort. Essential oils are a natural, effective way to boost energy, improve mood, and promote overall well-being for seniors. By incorporating these 5 powerful oils into your daily routine, you can experience the incredible benefits nature has to offer. And now it's time for your burning questions about essential oils. Let's dive in. Are essential oils safe for seniors? Yes. However, always dilute with a carrier oil and do a patch test before use. Can essential oils replace medications? No. They should complement medical treatments, not replace them. How often should I use essential oils? Daily use is safe, but moderation is key. Start with a small amount and adjust as needed. Can I ingest essential oils? Only certain oils, like lemon, and only if they are food grade. Always consult a professional before ingesting. Which essential oil is best for joint pain? Frankincense oil and eucalyptus oil are excellent for relieving pain and reducing inflammation. What's the best way to store essential oils? Keep them in dark glass bottles, away from sunlight and heat to maintain potency. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.